Viewers, well, let's test the auxiliary input of this device. A little quick test off camera. Now, seeing the stereo effect, basically how you plug it in, leave it on the radio, and plug it straight in, and it will override the radio. It disconnects the radio from the amp. So that's pretty cool. And it's in stereo. Just leave it on the radio, and that's it. Here's it work a bit different. There's other ports. One's left speaker, this one's right speaker.
Bowling and Recreation Club Resort Bowl Show. The program goes to...
So I put a sticker on the aux in for the customer, so they know how to plug it in. Make your life a bit easier.
Mark Eckel, Peter Mitchell and Wayne Gardner. The Bowl Show.
Okay, the camera's caused interference, but I've plugged the cable in, the radio still works. So as soon as there's a signal going for that cable, so I'm going to use this as my source, it'll mute the radio, because I think it biases the valve, and it disconnects itself from the output, putting out the or the input to the output from the radio. Now the source is plugged in, but turned off. Pretty quiet, it's still there, but the audio is very clear. I did test it really good with some different tones, and it sounded pretty good when it's like this, so not a big issue. Just if they really want, they can just turn it to a blank part of the dial and just use it like that. If they really want it clear, but this is pretty damn good. Yes, music please. Wait for it, the firmware's a bit slow. The audio is a bit low on this because I've got the volume turned down. Here's some NCS. Oh, the battery's got to be charged. I haven't charged it in ages. There's some NCS playing on that. Can't hear the radio at all. Right speaker. Mono works on both speakers, obviously. Stereo, we'll only play it through the right speaker only. Put on mono, obviously both speakers, but you're not going to get that stereo sound. It's kind of misleading how to label this, but this is real good. I listened to a cassette, Mp3, on a radiogram. I plugged the Bluetooth receiver in that and it worked pretty damn good, so this thing's Bluetooth smartphone ready. So the customer, if they want, they can set an iPad stand up here and use a Bluetooth on the receiver and just stream YouTube through it on here. So they didn't more than nothing, just plug it straight in and it works. So pretty well off these little radiograms. Future proof. Not all models of radiograms would have had that feature though. Some do and some didn't. Having this is a good bonus though. This NCS playing. Alex Grindo and Style. Moments NCS release. That's the song. The song's Moments by Alex Grindo and Style. It's NCS release, so you can go on NCS YouTube channel and just look up that song and you'll find it if you really want to know. This is all working good now, as I said. There's a damn good turntable, that. I love that. I won't show too much of the receipt there. That's the owner. I'll just show you the quick documentation. You can rely on PYE. TS2 Mark II. That's the more specifically what this actually is. That's the Mark II model, this one. This is all for what it was new when it came from the shop. So this is really cool. go. Install 50 LPs inside this little drawer here. 13 valve performance of a unique. No, that's a bit misleading. That might be for something else, I think. Transistor stereo phone. Hang on, that's misleading because it doesn't actually have 13 valves. This is marketing wank. Here we go. 1960s marketing wank. 13 valve performance. Hang on. From a unique combination of valves and transistors. And PYE printed circuit board. Printed circuit, or what we call PCBs. As used in satellites and computers. Wow, that was cutting edge back then. Oh, it says a unique combination of valves and transistors. There is no transistors in this particular circuit. It's just 4 valves, that's it. You get a rectifier valve, which you don't really count. To left to right channel amplifier valves and an RF amplifier valve. So it's actually 4 valves, no transistors. So there's a bit of marketing wank in this thing, but... Let's turn that down. Made from Taiwan will be copyrighted, so I don't want to play too much of that. This is the, I think this is the actual seller stuff for your microphone. Look at that, never used. Wow, that's the microphone made in Japan. It's got the old ball type thing on the end of it, not the pointy one. I'll turn this cassette off and I'll plug the microphone in. Okay, that's out. That's off. It says PC out, so she's off. Now unlock it off. Unplug that. The radio's back on.
50% off all mattresses.
Plug the microphone in. Be careful not to get inverse feedback. Okay, the microphone's plugged in. I can hear myself there. Yeah, I can hear myself. The microphone seems to work quite good. Not bad for a little PA system there. I am speaking kind of close to it, so it's not a Rode microphone, but it's just a high quality Japanese microphone. And this is a carbon particle or carbon powder type microphone. Not a condenser microphone, but a carbon type microphone as used in old telephone headsets. Handsets, I should say, the old phones.
Recycle aluminium can.
Okay, so there's the microphone, and there's the Transphonic Stereophone Owner's Manual, model TS2. This is the Owner's Manual. Based in Marrickville, New South Wales, which is now a, let's just say it's a bit of a no-go zone nowadays. That's all I would say. Oh, check out this dishwasher. Colston, a dishwasher that works. Look at that, eh? Nowadays we just get a wife as a dishwasher now. Check that out. Here's the how to use things, what the settings mean. Recording, sing along. In addition to the above procedure, connect the microphone to the socket name marked mic. Select to switch to mic position instead of mono, and you can then record yourself singing the accompaniment of your own record. But where's it record to? It says nothing about a tape player here. Oh, here we go. Okay. This goes out to here somewhere. So this must be like a headphone output that goes to a cassette. I might try that later actually. I get my little Panasonic or one of my boom boxes of the aux microphone input or aux input, and just plug it out of here and do a sing-along when I get that needle replaced. I'll see if it works. That'd be cool. Early karaoke, that's really cool. Now I've got to get a here's how to adjust the stylus pressure. You need a scale for that. How to use a turntable. Really cool stuff. This smells good. Vintage. There we go. Wow. Yeah, as I said, this is actually a pretty good model, this one. Calotherm impregnated cloth. Travel size anti-static. Keeps all lenses crystal clear. That's someone's glasses, that doesn't belong here. Okay. Here's so original owner, S.R. Waterman. Let's just say they're in Glenelg, but I won't give too much away. That's the original purchaser of this thing. Glasson Avenue, Glenelg North. Let's see if there's a price. Is there a price on here? This is really cool to have. Purchased or serviced in 27th for the 3rd, 1973. It costs $11.75. Something left-hand speaker, navy. To pick up workshop, remove radio, something, cleaned and repaired faults, connects something, can't read his writing, just a minor age-related services by the looks of it. Okay, turn that down. A good song, but I don't want to infringe copyright there. Careful there, hope this doesn't trigger anything. What else have we got here? Whoops. Cash on delivery. Paid on the 28th of the 3rd, 1973. $11.75. Okay, here we go. The service date. 1973 she had last serviced. So it would have been about 10 years old then. This thing I think came from 1962 or 61 era. 4 years free service certificate. This is really cool to have. Okay. Date of purchase, 12th of the 4th, 1967. Wow. That's when it was purchased, in 1967. Certificate expires 11th of the 4th, 1971. Wow, this is really cool. This is special. Definitely worth holding on to. I'll make sure that the new owner of this thing looks after this and keeps it all together. This is really special to have, especially with the all original documentation. Dear customer, we have pleasure in forwarding to you 4 years free service certificate. This is a valuable document which you must retain carefully. There's so much respect back then. They took so much pride in their products back then. Nowadays they don't just give a crap, they just want to get money out of you. This was back in the good old days and actually you had respect and people actually cared. So someone's funeral stuff, I want to show you that. That's private. Don't know what that's in there for. Garage, this is a manual for the garage turntable. There we go, how to use it all. Here's how to connect it if you want to wire a turntable up to a modern Bluetooth receiver. Just for reference purposes, I'm not going to actually do it with this thing because it sounds damn good. But if you get one of those pieces of shit Crosley and you want to take the crap out of it and put something else like this inside that cabinet, I don't see why not, as long as the cabinet itself isn't cheap. But you know, that's if you find one of these turntables on their own and you want to use it. Okay, the pulley on the motor is colour finish for each speed identification. Nickel for the 50 Hz and the brass pulley for 60 cycles. I didn't know that. Here's how you adjust it all, but you need a precision scale to set the needle onto. You've got to get it right as per the instructions, because if you don't get that right, you will damage your records and or the needle. Here's all your spare parts, you can order them. Of course, most of these parts are not made anymore, but you go to the collectors and you just go to all your collectors and your handfests and you can reference that to what you can get nowadays. Still a good turntable, as I said. What that smashed up photo frame was in there for, but... And this is actually a cartridge which is from Sutton Mills typewriter. That doesn't belong in there. Olivetti typewriter. And there's what they did. They changed this filter capacitor and replaced it. There we go. That was replaced. That's what the serviceman did in whatever that thing said, 70 something. There's a package to that thing. It cost $9.47 in Kmart. Here's some valves. I think these are the these original or replacements. These are the amplifier valves. Let's open it up. I'll set the camera down here carefully. Oh, the top's off it. Hang on, that's off something else. That's a 1S2 TV rectifier valve. That's not off this. That's not off this, that's a TV valve. Okay, so this would have been, I would have had a TV with this and just put the valves in there. Because I got nowhere else to store them. That's a 1S2 rectifier valve for the flyback, comes off the flyback of the old TV. Little key off something. Okay, let's have a look here. Oh, an echo device. Oh, this is something else together. Wow. Only for the first 69. Diamond stylus. Oh, diamond lock. Something of needle. That's the type of needle it used. There's a 12AX7, which is a spare RF amplifier oscillator valve. 12AX7, which I'll Google it if you want to confirm. Yeah, I can't remember exactly off the top of my head exactly, but it's one of those valves. That's all there is in there. That's all I've seen. The rest is just the receipt from the shop. Yeah, second-hand shop, antique shop. Pour this stuff back in. This documentation is very, very special, so worth retaining all this stuff. This is all back in the good old days, as I said. I'm surprised I said that there was actually some sort of marketing link in this brochure here as I was reading it. Anyway. That'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.
And spend time in